How can owners relieve and treat symptoms of a pulled muscle in their dog?
Hello everyone. Today, we're discussing a common concern among dog owners: how to help your furry friend recover from a pulled muscle. Not only can this be a painful condition for your dog, but it can also affect their mobility and overall well-being. Let's dive into understanding how to relieve and treat symptoms of a pulled muscle in dogs.
What are the symptoms of a pulled muscle in dogs?
First and foremost, it's important to know how to identify if your dog has pulled a muscle. The most common signs include limping or lameness, reluctance to move, swelling in the affected area, and showing signs of pain when the area is touched.
What to do when you notice these symptoms?
Once you identify these symptoms, the first and foremost thing to do is to consult a vet. Never self-diagnose or treat serious conditions without professional advice. However, while waiting for the vet's appointment or following their initial advice, there are steps you can take at home to help your dog feel more comfortable.
How to relieve the symptoms at home?
Here are some ways to help alleviate your dog's discomfort. Rest. Limit your dog's physical activity to prevent further injury. Avoid long walks and vigorous play. Cold and heat therapy. Apply a cold pack to the affected area for the first 24 to 48 hours after the injury, followed by heat therapy. This can reduce swelling and soothe the muscle pain. Massage. Gentle massage can help to alleviate muscle tension and promote healing. Over-the-counter medication. Only use over-the-counter medications if specifically recommended by your vet, as some human medicines can be harmful to dogs.
What are the long-term management strategies?
Gradual exercise. After the initial resting period, slowly reintroduce exercise to help strengthen the muscle and prevent future injury. Diet and weight management. Maintain a healthy weight for your dog to avoid excess strain on their muscles. Regular vet checkups. Routine vet visits can help identify potential issues before they become serious problems. Understanding how to identify, treat, and manage a pulled muscle in your dog is crucial to their well-being. Remember, when in doubt, always consult with your vet. We hope this video has given you some insight into how to care for a dog with a pulled muscle. Stay tuned for more pet health tips and advice. Thanks for watching.